There's a world of wellness hidden in the unassuming spice rack in your kitchen. Begin with the golden glory of turmeric, a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties that not only enhances your immune system, but also aids in preventing chronic diseases. Next, we have the sweet aroma of cinnamon, a delightful flavor enhancer that's not just about taste. It plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar levels and may even reduce the risk of heart disease. Then, add a dash of heat with cayenne pepper. This fiery spice holds the secret to boosted metabolism and natural pain relief thanks to its capsaicin content. The spice journey continues with ginger, a root renowned for its digestive benefits. Whether it's nausea, bloating, or indigestion, ginger is your go-to remedy. It also boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that contribute to your overall well-being. Finally, unlock the secret weapon of your spice cabinet, garlic. This aromatic spice is a heart health hero with its allicin content helping to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. In summary, the hidden health benefits of spices are truly astonishing. From turmeric's anti-inflammatory prowess to cayenne pepper's metabolism-boosting effects, not forgetting the digestive wonders of ginger and the heart health heroes, cinnamon and garlic. So go ahead and explore the magic of these spices. Incorporate them into your daily routine and witness the transformative effects on your health. That's all for today's video. If you found this enlightening, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more intriguing content. Remember, the power of spices is right there in your kitchen, waiting to be discovered.